So we couldn't hang it. Guess what I'm doing with it? My beloved chandelier. It's not gonna work. I want to take it apart of this thing, but I have no idea if I can use. Well, I can't. No, I do. I do know that I cannot use it. And I thought, what can I make of this? And I'm making a centerpiece for my table. So we couldn't hang this, but that never stopped me from using it for something else. A little bit of backstory here. This used to be a chandelier. The apartment next door is being renovated and someone lived there. This, I imagine, cute little old lady lived there for 60 something years, and she had all these antique things. Now, I obviously did not get first pick, but they showed me the apartment and I could take anything that was still there. And one of them being this chandelier. That was summer of last year. I'm not getting into it now because it was in one of my vlogmases. In that vlog, I took it apart and I thought, what can I make of this? And I'm making a centerpiece for my table. So with Easter coming up, I'm making it a Easter centerpiece on my table. And I'm even thinking, because I still have spare parts after that, I'm thinking of maybe I can make some candlestick holders, antique ones, exactly the way I would like them. Let's get into this. So yeah, this is the biggest and most heavy piece. So there was something underneath here. I feel like this piece, and then the lamps would go in here, and then there were crystals and all those things. This is way too heavy, but I want to use it because I'm going to turn the whole thing around. That's what I wanted to say. And then it's on these feet. These ones, as you can see, are not touching the table. So they don't have any function. They look nice, but it's also too big. I don't have a huge dining table. So these ones are too much, too heavy. So I'm taking those off. Okay, and then we're left with this. So this is a perfect base. So this is the thing that's going to hold everything together. But I want this to be on the base. Look at it. These things give me so much joy. As you know, I've been working on the parts of the chandelier because I want to make a centerpiece. Now I have this, and one of them is broken. I want to fix that. So I bought metal glue. Do we believe that this actually works? I don't know, because I tossed the manual. We're just winging it. I thought maybe this could support it while drying. And it's supporting on this, I think, is it? Yeah, it is. This is so exciting. Either way, whether the glue is working or not, I'm putting it up on the centerpiece because, it's an old thing. If it's just missing one little arm, That's fine. Oh, I showed you about all the crystals. They're having a bath. Okay, so they're clean and dry, and I divided them in groups of pairs. I think that I want to take out all of the wiring before, so deconstruct them a little bit more, and then I can make them the way I want to. I fixed it. Let's hope. Let's hope I also fix it in the long run. But I used the glue. Fingers crossed. And then I feel like the only thing that I need to do is touch up the white with a little bit of gold and maybe a little bit of black to antique it a little bit. Little. This is where I left off. So actually this thing, I feel like could go here. The whole point was doing it upside down. I forgot. Just testing and see how far this does not go on here. See how far we go. Yes, that is nice. I would like it to be somewhat nicer. Look how cute. It fits, but this is not the nicest finish. So I feel like I want to change this out. Ooh, I just have a little bit of screw left. Can we do it? Oh, hell yeah, we can. Yeah. Look, this is just a bare option, you know. We're going to make it look so cute with the crystals. So we have the base, and maybe I'm already happy. We're setting it aside. You know, this next stage being touching up the glue and make it pretty with crystals and with Easter eggs. Now the other thing that I was thinking about is I got these things, and it would be such a waste to not use them. So I have one bigger piece, which I feel like could be perfect as a good solid base. I have a few pieces that you could sort of put in between somewhere. And then I have two of these. I'm just trying things because preferably to make something sturdy, you need something in the middle. Like with the chandelier, you have this whole piece that keeps it together. Like in this case as well, it's sort of not completely, but it won't fall over. Yeah, so I'm still out here playing around. Let's take this one, this. No, the other way around. What did I want to do? Oh yeah, and then this. So then these have to be glued. For instance, do this. Get something in between even. Let's see. Yeah, could be. Like so. Looks cute. We built it ourselves. And then the other one, I don't have any wire or thing that I can put in left. This needs to rely on glue total. I think this is asking a little too much. Is it though? I was thinking the same principle. If I would use a pencil and build it with glue, should we try that? It would be so much fun if it would work. I'm gonna glue some things together first. Okay, so I did it. I glued them together and I'll just leave them overnight and maybe it works. Yeah, it totally worked. Look, I made myself two antique, vintage, whatever you want to call it, candlestick holders. Look, and look at the inside. Do you see what that is? Oh, you can see it better on this side. It's a pencil. Why am I sighing? I put a pencil in there and I glued all these things together. And then I just poured a shitload of glue on top and on the bottom. Same with this one, really. You see, the glue is over here and over here. So I got these cute, unique candlestick holders. Oh yeah, I drilled holes in these, 2D eggs. So I'm going to paint them, and I don't know how yet. And then I want to decorate and style my Easter table with our unique centerpiece and candlestick holders. So fun! I'm getting on with the eggs. Once we have all the eggs with a base color, and then we can make them fancy. I just got in. It's dark, it's raining, and it's cold. So back to my Easter eggs. I'll just show you a few. Look at how good they are turning out. So I'm gonna do the back, because the back of them is not done yet. Also, the candlestick holders need, a little bit of a second coat of the gold. And then the centerpiece. Look, I've been playing around a little bit with the crystals, and I've been hanging them with this fishing wire, because it sort of feels like invisible instead of doing it with a copper wire or something. So yeah, I just need to get the last one on here, the bigger one. Oh yeah, that's at the back. I have a bunch of these as well that I took off of the crystals, but I'm not putting them back on here for now. Just hanging them in between the crystals for a little bit of the Easter decor. The other thing that I bought the other day is a table runner. First I saw this one, which I feel like is so fun because, I don't know, it gives old-fashioned vibes to me. And then I thought, should I combine it with something more modern? So that's why I also bought this table runner. And I want this to go underneath this. So you see the just little pieces of it. That's the idea. Like the dark green would be fun with this. And also, for instance, I have like a little bit of dark green in the painted Easter eggs. Finishing this, and then I'll style the table, and then I'll show you the end result. And it's done. Look at it. Cute, right? I've been filming it with a big smile on my face. I'm getting the Easter table ready for you, and then I'll show you. Before I do that, thank you so much for hanging out. And I'm here every week. Come hang out with me. It's a little bit shorter than I thought. I don't get it. The size was on there. I thought it was longer. So now I'm in doubt of doing it like this. Or is that stupid? I think I want to keep it long in the length. But now I'm just thinking of, am I doing the centerpiece thing on here or on the table? So on the wood or on here? I think I would like it on the fabric. So like this. Because that is cute. Yeah, it is cute. Yeah. Oh, I don't think I told you. It's Carl. Yesterday was Carl's birthday and he's coming home tonight. So I did buy him presents and I've been looking for gift wrapping bags and things that would go nicely together and also would go nicely with this. So yeah, I think it worked. It's a little bit dark outside, so that's why you cannot really see it properly, but I'm gonna display them here. Oh, he's 4 weeks at work, and when he comes home, the house is always like changed at least 2, 3, or 4 corners. Same right now. So the house is new to him again. Cute! Yeah, I'll film the end result without the presents for you. Bye-bye!